I'm Amba. I'm an architect by profession, and I completed my graduation from School of Planning and Architecture, Delhi, and I've worked for 2 years before coming to the fellowship. A couple of my seniors were fellows at this program, and I'd known about IHS from my college days itself, so that's how. So I had planned to pursue masters in urbanism, and in the process of application, I realized that I'd rather want to bridge my disciplinary background with the masters with a course which is interdisciplinary. And that's why UFP was the perfect fit for me, where I could learn about the urban challenges and the issues from very different perspectives. I also wanted to transition from an architect to an urban practitioner. So, what were the different kinds of areas where I could engage with and work as? My experience at the fellowship was very great. There were a lot of new things which I learned about, a lot of different perspectives, and in terms of the interdisciplinary theory that we studied. Besides the course and the structure, the experience was enriched by living with the cohort, by living with people who came from different backgrounds, and as well as interacting and engagement with IHS and all of the faculties and other people working here. What I liked most about the fellowship was firstly the course. I think it's a very well designed course which takes us along through a lot of different subjects, perspectives. Then we get to narrow down our areas of interest. So the course itself is very beautifully designed. The thing that I like the most is living with the cohort because everyday experiences, the interactions which we have with people coming from different backgrounds, with different perspectives, adds to our understanding, and also the contact which we have with the faculties. It's very free. They are very helpful in helping us navigate through this entire journey. So the course for the first term from Foundation and Commons took us through broad urban multidisciplinary theories. And with that, we had practica where we could go out and see all of those theories coming alive and navigate our way through that, along with the skill labs, which we again started applying with the practica as well. In the commons term, we had greater intersections and of the disciplinary theory which we studied in the foundation terms in a level higher. Then in the second part, which was choosing our electives and skill labs, was more focused towards where we are more inclined towards, which was great. And so we got to study subjects in depth, depending on where we are going ahead with our as an urban practitioner, and ending up with the project, which is a very on ground real experience before actually going on ground and working as an urban practitioner. The project sort of is like it gives a view and it gives a recce of how it's going to be out there. I particularly loved the identity class. It was very new to me. I had never thought that one could study identity in so many different ways. The frameworks and the structure of identity starts integrating with all the other modules. Then I really enjoyed the class where we studied planning, economics, and governance together. Initially, it was very overwhelming with the amount of information and the amount of knowledge we got through. But then all of the issues that we're seeing day to day on ground, especially in the times that we're going with the political economy that we have, things had started to make sense. So those were particularly very nice. Besides those, I really enjoyed Practica a lot because all of the framework starts getting, and the best part about Practica is we get to see and build on those theories with the actual experiences and the research that we do. Apart from that, few skill labs were also very new. I really enjoyed the research methodology skill lab. We had done research in our college work, but the way to go about it in terms of framing our inquiry, in terms of choosing the perfect method, and even in terms of how we structure a research paper or an academic paper was very new, and it added a lot to my knowledge and understanding. Definitely, the course has contemporary relevance. I mean, we see that we need more urban practitioners who can look across disciplines and then engage. I was particularly interested in this course because I thought that urban planning, the course that I was pursuing, urban planning, was just looked from one perspective. So, this course is very nice to actually have a wholesome view to urban issues so that our response is more nuanced. And in terms of even the learning environment which we have at IIHS, we discuss the contemporary issues a lot and we take those up as examples of getting to know more about how to apply those theories, how to apply the concepts which we study in class. I'm working on a policy advocacy project for the ARHC scheme, which is the Affordable Rental Housing Complexes. This project is done in collaboration with WPC, which is Working People's Charter, and CPR, which is Center for Policy Research. As a part of the survey, we are doing a demand and supply analysis for the rental housing. The supply side is being done by CPR and the demand side is being done by IHS. So we're studying the rental housing demand by the informal workers, analyzing it and seeing how the scheme sort of responds to the supply and demand, and then creating policy advocacy material for the same. So I've been interested in urban housing sector a lot, and that is something which I plan to pursue later as well. Within that, the scale at which I want to learn, understand more is either at the policy scale or at the planning scale. So I plan to do internship in sectors which more like think tanks, who are working with the government on looking at how the policies or the schemes are implemented on ground and what are the ways that they could be improved, or how different stakeholders, not just the government, different stakeholders and the communities themselves can make the affordable housing more accessible and more affordable. So that is how I've chosen my places of internship. Life at IHS was great. It was a lot of fun. Um, Living with the cohort, as I mentioned earlier, is the best part of being here, as well as engaging with the different labs which are present with the different events and the guest faculties which come here and our faculties themselves. So, and it's a place where I would love to come back to and keep in touch for my future endeavors as well. If you are planning to take up urbanism as your profession or career, do apply. This is a very nice course. My experience has been brilliant. It's imperative to learn about different perspectives.